Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing the top 15 low-carb and high-fiber foods. Low-carb diets have been found to have several health benefits, including reduced hunger and weight loss, lower blood pressure and LDL cholesterol levels, and better blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. However, some low-carb diets may also be low in fiber, which is important for digestive, heart, and gut health. Fortunately, several tasty and healthy high-fiber low-carb foods can help you meet your fiber needs. Here are your top 15 low-carb, high-fiber foods. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are small oil seeds that are packed with nutrients. They are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Flax seeds have a lower ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 than most other oil seeds, which is important for reducing the risk of several chronic diseases. 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds provide 4 grams of fiber and 0 grams of net carbs. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in several nutrients and are one of the best-known plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. They are high in fiber, protein, and several vitamins and minerals. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide 11 grams of fiber and 2 grams of net carbs. Avocado. Avocado is high in healthy fats and has a unique buttery texture. It is technically a fruit and can be added to a variety of dishes. Avocado is a good source of fiber, folate, potassium, and vitamins K and C. 1 small avocado provides 9 grams of fiber and 3 grams of net carbs. Almonds. Almonds are among the world's most popular tree nuts. They are highly nutritious and rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. Almonds are also a good source of fiber and protein, which may also help increase feelings of fullness and add weight loss. 1 ounce of raw almonds provides 4 grams of fiber and 3 grams of net carbs. Unsweetened coconut meat. Coconut meat is the white flesh inside a coconut. Coconut meat is high in healthy fats and fiber while being moderate in carbs and protein. It's also rich in several important minerals, particularly copper and manganese. 1 ounce of shredded, unsweetened coconut meat provides 5 grams of fiber and 2 grams of net carbs. Blackberries. Blackberries are sweet and tart and a delicious summer fruit. They are incredibly nutritious, with just 1 cup providing more than 30% of the daily value for vitamin C. Berries are among the most antioxidant-rich fruits, and regular intake has been associated with a reduced risk of chronic inflammation, heart disease, and certain forms of cancer. 1 cup of blackberries provides 7 grams of fiber and 6 grams of net carbs. Raspberries. Raspberries are another sweet yet tart summer fruit that are best enjoyed shortly after purchasing. They are low in calories and high in several essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and manganese, and are also rich in disease-protecting antioxidants. 1 cup of raspberries provides 9 grams of fiber and 8 grams of net carbs. Pistachios. Pistachios have a distinctive flavor and vibrant green color and are high in healthy fats and vitamin B6, which aids blood sugar regulation and the formation of hemoglobin. 1 ounce of shelled pistachios provides 3 grams of fiber and 5 grams of net carbs. Wheat bran. Wheat bran is the hard outer coating of the wheat kernel. It is rich in several important vitamins and minerals, including selenium and manganese. It is also an impressive source of insoluble fiber, which helps treat constipation and promote regular bowel movements. A 1/4 cup serving of wheat bran provides 6 grams of fiber and 4 grams of net carbs. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a popular item on low-carb diets. It is a cruciferous vegetable that is low in calories and carbs, but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Cauliflower is also a good source of choline, which is important for brain and liver health, metabolism, and DNA synthesis. 1 cup of chopped cauliflower provides 2 grams of fiber and 2 grams of net carbs. Broccoli. Broccoli is a popular cruciferous vegetable that is high in fiber and several essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, potassium, vitamin C, and K. It's also a good source of protein. Research shows that steaming broccoli provides the greatest health benefits. 1 cup of broccoli florets provides 2 grams of fiber and 3 grams of net carbs. Asparagus. Asparagus is a popular springtime vegetable available in different colors. It is low in calories and high in vitamin K and folate. 1 cup of raw asparagus provides 3 grams of fiber and 2 grams of net carbs. Eggplant. Also known as aubergine, eggplants are used in many dishes around the world. They contain very few calories and are a good source of fiber, manganese, folate, and potassium. 1 cup of raw cubed eggplant provides 3 grams of fiber and 2 grams of net carbs. Purple cabbage. Purple cabbage, also known as red cabbage, is a nutritious way to add a pop of color in your dishes. It is higher in plant compounds linked to health benefits such as improved heart and bone health, reduced inflammation, and protects against certain forms of cancer. Purple cabbage is low in carbs, high in fiber, and an excellent source of vitamins C and K. 1 cup of chopped red cabbage provides 2 grams of fiber and 5 grams of net carbs. Collard greens. Collard greens are nutrient-dense and low in calories. They're an excellent source of calcium, folate, and vitamins K, C, and A. Furthermore, they're high in fiber and antioxidants. 1 cup of chopped cooked collard greens have 6 grams of fiber and 2 grams of net carbs. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts.